Hey guys, Colin here from CH Gadgets, and these are the Crazo Pro True Wireless Sports Earphones. And you know what these look like. Let's check them out. By the way, if this is your first time here and you love tech and gadgets just like I do, and you want to see all the cool new things that I get to test and play with every week, then start now by clicking that subscribe button and tapping on that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos when they drop. So these are a pair of earhook style sports earbuds, true wireless earbuds, and they look exactly like the Beats Pro. And what I want to know is, do they sound the same? Also, if you're seeing these and you're wondering how come they look like the Crazo Pros, then yes, these are the exact same thing. It's just rebranded with a little bit of update, but it's the same exact earbuds. The price on this one is about $44.99. It's about 45 bucks. Let's open it up and check them out and see. Do they sound like the Beats Pro? They look the part. Do they sound the part? Let's get inside. And that's what the Crazo Pro or the Crazo Pro looks like. And man, this is a big boy. Look at that thing. This thing is big. Look at my hands. I got relatively big hands, or maybe average size hands, and this is how it's handling my hands right now. This thing is it's a big chunky boy. Placement ear tips, a different style of sport ear tips, and your micro USB charging cable. Now I think with the new updated version, which is in the Crazo Pro, you should probably see Type-C. I'm not sure. That's what they look like on the inside. Just exactly like the Beats Pro. There you go. Look exactly the same. This ain't Funko. Got the ear hook. Feels nice and soft. There you go. You see one earbud, you see them all. This is the case. Let's see how it works in the case. Yeah, they're not gonna stay in the case. The magnets is not that strong. Good to know. Although I don't think these should be really that easy to lost because they're so big. They can't. Are they gonna go? So I'm gonna try to see if I can pair these up. It's a pretty good fit. All right, look. Look, all right. It sits really close. It gives you some nice, good passive noise isolation, which is really good. And it sits really close to my face. It's not interrupting with my glasses too much. And yeah, I guess for the look and feel, it actually it's fitting the part. So good. So far, so good. All right, let's pair it up with my phone. Pair it up and see. What does it sound like? Yeah, buddy. I like these. I actually really like these. These might not be the Beats Pro, but they sure deliver. I was trying to find a really cool pun, but I didn't find any. But yeah, these are not the Beats Pro, but they sure deliver. They deliver on that bass. They deliver on the highs and the mids. Nice little balance. Nice little clean balanced sound. I think this is designed to have a party, and because it's also a sports earbud, it's designed to pump energy. So it's a real high energy pair of earbuds. Yeah, got that rapid response with the bass response, you know, to get you in the mood, get you in the hype, get you in the zone. Definitely. And it kind of locks in and give you that nice tight seal. It really stay close to your ear. And no matter what you do, it's not falling out or off. So these are really good, man. Yeah, these are them. These are them. These are the ones. I mean, one of my biggest gripe is why this thing so big? But you already know the reason why it's so big is because those earbuds are big and they have those ear hooks. Good thing is you can take the ear hook off just in case you want to rock it just like this. I suspect if you're rocking it like this, it's probably gonna feel a little bit weird without the ear hooks. So you probably want to leave it on, especially if you're gonna work out with it. So yeah, I mean, it got some really nice, clean sound. It's got some good bass response. Yeah, really good bass impact. Nice treble, some nice little mids, you know, in the mix, giving that really nice, clean sound. I like it. This is a winner. This is definitely a winner. So if you see the Crazo Pro, definitely, yeah, it's the same exact thing. $44.99, which is about 45 bucks. And I think it's worth it. It's definitely worth 45 bucks. Yeah, so if you see this one, you should definitely pick it up. If you see it, the Crazo Pro on a deal, then you should definitely pick it up. I'm gonna leave some links down in the description so you can go check that out, see if you can find it on a deal. Because if you're looking at this as an alternative to the more expensive Beats Pro, then this can definitely get you a far ways ahead for less. You know, so you don't have to spend all that money, you know, on the Beats unless you just want to flex. If you don't want to flex, then this can get you there, man. These are really good. I mean, the only other thing is it got micro USB charging port on this one. I think on the Crazo Pro, the upgraded version, you should have Type-C. Other than that, what can I say? This thing sounds good. And yeah, I'm a fan. I'm definitely a fan. Crazo Pro, it delivers. It delivers where it should, both in the comfort, design, and most importantly, in the sound. Like I say, if you want one for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You can go check that out. If you wanna do something really awesome, click that like button, tap on that subscribe button, tap that bell notification icon. That support is really important to this channel, really important to the growth. And it can let me do more of this stuff, test out more of these things, so I could tell you if it's good or not, if it's worth your money or not. And these are definitely worth at 45 bucks. All right, that's it. I'll talk to you in my next video. Scarlett, I'm out. Peace.